In the heart of a modern salon, every strand of discarded hair is treated as a precious resource, initiating a journey toward a sustainable technological future. Witness the birth of innovation where traditional grooming meets advanced engineering, capturing raw materials with surgical precision through an invisible and powerful underground vacuum network. Invisible forces at play ensure that no waste is left behind, as high-velocity air currents whisk away organic fibers into a sophisticated collection system hidden beneath. The modern beauty industry is evolving, transforming daily waste into a strategic asset through a seamless integration of aesthetic design and industrial-grade collection technology today. Beneath the surface of luxury lies a complex web of pneumatic tubes, transporting thousands of hair samples per second toward a central processing hub for evaluation. Efficiency is paramount in this sterile environment, where automated sensors detect the presence of materials and activate the extraction sequence with absolute and quiet mechanical reliability. As the collection phase concludes, the material is pre-sorted by density, preparing the organic fibers for their transition from the salon floor to the massive factory. Data tracking ensures every gram of material is accounted for, creating a transparent supply chain that marks the beginning of a circular economy for professional beauty. With the harvest complete, the raw materials are hermetically sealed, ensuring their integrity and purity as they prepare to leave the urban landscape for the facility. The journey continues as massive transport units carry the raw potential of millions, heading toward a multi-million-dollar facility where science and industry meet with purpose. Automated security systems recognize the transport vessel, opening the gateway to a world of high-tech processing where the future of material science is being written daily. Every entry is logged and verified by advanced scanners, ensuring that only the highest quality organic materials enter the sterile zones of this massive recycling fortress. The sheer scale of the operation becomes apparent as the transport moves through a landscape of steel towers, where chemistry and engineering work in perfect harmony. Precision docking allows for rapid material transfer, minimizing exposure to external contaminants and maintaining the strict environmental controls required for the next phase of processing. With mechanical grace, the cargo is prepared for its descent into the processing maw, where it will be transformed from simple hair into a high-performance material. The facility breathes with the pulse of innovation, its exterior reflecting the high-energy processes occurring within its walls as the first stage of transformation begins now. A massive logistics network converges here, bringing together resources from across the globe to fuel the most advanced material recycling line ever conceived by human hands. Sustainability is not just a goal but a reality here, as the plant operates with a zero-waste philosophy, ensuring that even the processing air is purified. Robotic precision takes over as high-speed actuators and hydraulic limbs manage the heavy lifting, replacing human labor with tireless, pinpoint accuracy in the sorting bay. Advanced sensors and artificial intelligence guide every movement, allowing the robot to distinguish between various grades of organic fiber with a sensitivity that exceeds human capabilities. The material passes through a gauntlet of laser scanners, where a digital twin is created for each batch, documenting its chemical composition and physical properties instantly. In this automated ballet, the machines work in perfect harmony, ensuring a continuous flow of material that never stops, day or night, in this tireless industrial heart. The beauty of engineering is found in the smallest details, where complex mechanical joints provide the range of motion necessary to handle delicate biological materials with care. Classification is the key to quality, and our robotic systems ensure that every fiber is directed to its optimal processing path with 100% sorting accuracy. Above the factory floor, a complex highway of material transport operates silently, moving the sorted hair toward the primary cleaning and sterilization chambers for the next phase. The eyes of the machine never blink, constantly monitoring for contaminants or inconsistencies to ensure that only the purest raw materials proceed to the deep cleaning stage. As the sorting concludes, the first major transformation is complete, leaving behind a perfectly categorized inventory of organic fibers, ready for the intense purification process ahead. The purification begins inside a gargantuan rotating chamber, where specialized biocleaners and dense foam envelop the hair to strip away every impurity and external coating. High-pressure jets of purified water penetrate deep into the bundles, ensuring that each individual strand is thoroughly sanitized and prepared for molecular extraction in the following steps. This hypnotic process is as beautiful as it is functional, using advanced surfactants to gently but effectively prepare the keratin structures for their upcoming chemical metamorphosis. Scaling the process allows for massive throughput, with rows of synchronized drums working together to treat tons of material with the same level of individual care. Controlled pressure and temperature are critical, and our systems maintain the perfect environment to optimize the cleaning cycle without damaging the delicate natural proteins within. Submerged in a specialized solution, the hair is liberated from oils and dust, becoming a blank canvas for the scientists who will soon unlock its potential. Emerging from the wash, the material is transformed, now a pristine and sterile mass of organic matter, steaming as it moves toward the high-speed drying tunnels. Ultra-fast drying technology uses focused thermal currents to remove moisture in seconds, locking in the structural integrity of the hair before the chemical extraction process begins. A final human inspection ensures that the mechanical process has met our rigorous standards for purity, confirming that the material is ready for the high-tech lab. Welcome to the nerve center of the facility, where advanced software monitors every millisecond of production, ensuring that the complex recycling process remains perfectly stable. Real-time diagnostics provide a comprehensive view of the factory's health, using a digital twin interface to track energy consumption, material flow, and equipment performance. A team of expert engineers and data scientists oversee the operation, ready to make micro-adjustments that optimize the yield and quality of the final recycled product. With a single touch, the transition to the chemical extraction phase is initiated, triggering a series of automated protocols that prepare the secondary reactors for material. The view from the command center reveals the true majesty of modern industry, a sprawling landscape of innovation where technology serves the mission of global sustainability. Deep at the molecular level, our scientists monitor the breakdown of proteins, ensuring the structural bonds are preserved for their eventual reconstruction into new, durable materials. Artificial intelligence algorithms work silently in the background, predicting potential issues and self-correcting the system to maintain a flawless production cycle without any human intervention. The massive computing power required for this operation is housed in dedicated server banks, processing petabytes of data to keep the factory's brain functioning at peak. Validation is achieved, and the system prepares for the most critical phase, the deep chemical processing that will turn solid fiber into a liquid gold of resources. The chemical metamorphosis begins within massive borosilicate reactors, where organic fibers are submerged in a proprietary solution designed to break down hair into pure keratin liquid. Controlled mechanical agitation ensures a uniform reaction, creating a golden vortex of biological potential as the hair dissolves into its most fundamental and versatile chemical components. This is where science meets alchemy, in a laboratory environment that looks more like a vision of the future than a factory floor of the present day. Microreactions occur at a blistering pace, releasing the structural proteins trapped within the hair and suspended them in a nutrient-rich fluid ready for further refinement. Thermal precision is monitored with millidegree accuracy, ensuring that the extraction occurs at the exact temperature required to maximize the quality of the resulting biopolymer. Through a series of molecular sieves, the solution is purified, removing any remaining non-protein matter until only the most valuable keratin extract remains in the flow. Extreme centrifugal forces separate the different protein weights, allowing our scientists to isolate the specific keratin strands needed for the production of high-strength industrial materials. Every batch is sampled and tested for purity, ensuring that the biological essence extracted from the hair meets the strict specifications of our high-performance material standards. The transformation from waste to wealth is nearly complete, as the liquid keratin is stabilized and cooled, awaiting its final extrusion into the products of tomorrow. From the liquid state, a new solid emerges, as high-pressure extrusion nozzles birth the first strands of a revolutionary biomaterial, stronger and lighter than traditional alternatives. Thousands of individual fibers converge on high-speed spindles, weaving together a narrative of technological triumph and environmental responsibility in every single revolution of the reel. The texture is flawless, a testament to the purity of our process, offering a material that is not only functional, but also possesses an inherent natural beauty. At full capacity, this facility produces miles of sustainable fiber every hour, providing the global market with a viable alternative to petroleum-based plastics and synthetic textiles. Precision cutting and laser sealing mark the final step in the manufacturing process, ensuring that every spool of material is ready for immediate industrial application. Massive quantities of high-value resource are now ready to be shipped, representing the culmination of thousands of hours of research and advanced robotic labor. The brand of the future is born here, carrying a message of hope and innovation that resonates with a world seeking better ways to live and build. As it moves toward the exit, the material carries with it the spirit of the circular economy, proving that what was once waste is now a treasure. The human touch confirms what the machines already know. We have created a material that is ready to change the world, one strand at a time. As the sun sets on the first day of a new era, the facility stands as a beacon of progress, illuminating the path toward a cleaner planet. From above, the facility's design reflects its purpose, a complex, integrated system where every part works in harmony to process the world's most overlooked resource. The symbol of the future is digital, transparent, and grounded in the reality of sustainable manufacturing, promising a world where nothing is ever truly lost. We have successfully bridged the gap between the organic and the industrial, turning the simple biology of hair into the high-tech materials of the next generation. This technology is for the future, for the generations who will grow up in a world where waste is a forgotten concept and sustainability is the norm. Imagine cities built with the very materials we once threw away, where our homes and clothing are part of a continuous, life-sustaining cycle of renewal. The vision is clear, the technology is ready, and the journey has only just begun for the pioneers of the new material revolution and circular economy. From this single point of innovation, the ripples of change spread across the globe, reaching every industry and every corner of the modern market today. True technology does not conquer nature. It learns from it, mimics it, and eventually becomes a part of its eternal cycle of growth and rebirth. Our mission is global, our reach is infinite, and our commitment to the planet is unwavering as we continue to push the boundaries of science. It is time to rethink what we see as waste and recognize the hidden potential in everything around us for the sake of our shared future. Join us in this revolution of materials, where every strand tells a story of transformation, technology, and a world made better through the power of innovation. If you found today's content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Your support is the motivation that keeps me creating more valuable content every day. Wishing you good health, peace, and lots of joy in your life. See you again in the next videos.